Hi everyone, this is Sunny from Bota. Today, I'd like to introduce our welding rotators to you. This is our 300 turns and 200 turns welding rotators for pressure vessel fabrication. This type is the hydraulic fit-up welding rotators, 200 turns. Here is the 300 electronic working type motorized working on the rails, 300 turns. The control box with the wireless control box is also available, and we can customize in Spanish and any language as you require. Here we use the famous brand Siemens PLC control system, the famous brand electric cars, CE mark. This one is a 30 turns adjusting type welding rotators. You can see our engineer is doing the final adjustment for the work test. Is preparing for the work test. Another set of the 200 turns welding rotators, hydraulic type fit-up welding rotators. It can move in over the rails. Over here, it is the Attn runners for the 300 turns, electrical working on the rails. Our welding rotators can improve your welding efficiency and improve your welding quality. It is for the automatic welding work. So if you have any inquiry for our welding rotators, welcome to contact Bota. Thank you for your watching.